Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. Welcome to our next session of Lesson Tsunami. In our first session, we have seen different stories of people who suffer from huge tsunami that occurred in Thailand and in India too. In which we have seen the story of Ignatius was the manager of cooperative. We have discussed about the story of Sanjeev who was policeman. We have discussed story of Meghna, Almas, etc. in the first session, and now we are going to see the next story which was took place in Thailand, and it was actually experienced by the Smith family who went Thailand for celebrating Christmas on those days in 2004. So student, let's start our next part of our lesson. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket Beach in Thailand. Though she was won number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? Look, Tilly, Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, and she saved many lives when tsunami struck off a beach of Thailand, and she saved many lives on that day, and therefore, for her bravery, she won number of awards. But her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television, and they don't want to make her a heroine. Student, why her parents took that decision? Can you tell? It is because they don't want to remind her that very dangerous incident. They don't want to be depress her by thinking over that huge dreadful incident that took place with her family, and therefore they restrict her to be interviewed on television. So student, let's see what happened in the next part of our lesson. Now look at that lesson. Now here is a story of from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Look student, Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. And from Smith family, Tilly was a 10-year-old schoolgirl, and her younger sister was of 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. She went there with her parents at the beach in Thailand, and it was the day of 26 December 2004, and deadly tsunami waves were already to their way. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. And triggered means cause. These tsunami waves are caused because of massive earthquake of northern Sumatra, and that earthquake took place on that earlier morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. And here Penny, parent of Lily, mentioned that on that occasion the water was swelling and kept coming in. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. He expressed to himself that I didn't know what was happening, but the beach was getting smaller and smaller. So this is the incident on that day, 26 December. Let's see what happened next. On the next page, but Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Tilly Smith, the 10-year-old girl, sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. And she reminded that geography lesson which she had taken in England just before 2 weeks. And then she flew with her family to the Thailand. What did she remind? Let's see. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise. Tilly sensed and saw that the sea level, the water level of sea rises and start to foam. And in a large quantity foam occurs, bubbles and form whirlpools. She remembered that she had seen this in a class, in a video of tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. When did she saw that kind of tsunami? She saw in a video of tsunami that hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. In her class, she watched that video. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. And she reminded that the tsunamis can caused by earthquakes and volcanoes and landslides. And suddenly, Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. Here, Tilly started to scream. She started to scream loudly. She asked her family to leave the beach immediately. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She started talking with her parents about the earthquake under the sea. And she wanted to notice her parents about a huge tsunami. She got more and more hysterical. Hysterical means what? When you are hysterical, you shout, laugh, and cry in a wild, excited way without any control over yourself. It means you have been very excited when you are hysterical. And at that time, Tilly became hysterical and said her mother Penny, "Hey mother, just leave the beach." I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Here, Tilly's parents replied that I didn't know what a tsunami was. But as their daughter was so frightened, they thought something must be serious. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. They suddenly took both the girls and went to the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was if the entire sea had come out of after them. I was screaming, "Run!" And everybody starts screaming, "Run, run fast," because entire sea had come out of. And then the family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. A refuge, it means shelter or a protection from danger. The family took the protection on the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. Withstood means endured without collapsing, means stood up, still stood up. Though there is a huge force of the tsunami waves, if they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. And if they would stay there, they would not be alive for more. The Smith later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Lily her and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. And later, they went again to the England, and Tilly went to her school. She was awarded by many awards, and she told her terrifying story to her classmates. Student, here our second part of lesson was ended, and we will see next part of our lesson in our next session. Thank you for hearing.